Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fully withdraw instant funding from payout to bank. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. So I'm on their official website. So when is your first payout and how frequently can you request payouts? So your first payout occurs 40 days after your first trade. After your first payout, this interval is reduced to every 7 days following your next placed trade. So the payment methods available for withdrawals are Rise for all withdrawals. This platform streamlines the payout process, offering a quick and efficient way for you to access your earnings. So how do you request a payout through Rise? So to request a payout, ensure all trades are closed and smart drawdown is locked in. The minimum payout threshold is $25 for all accounts. Submit your request via your dashboard choosing Rise as the withdrawal method. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Provide your email address. After this is requested, follow the instructions in the email from the Rise to create an account and verify your identity. This will be sent within 24 hours. So how quickly are withdrawal requests processed? So withdrawal requests are generally processed within 24 business hours from receipt during the working week. Request is made at weekends or during a UK bank holiday will be processed on the next working day. So please also be aware of the bank details are entered wrong, then you will be charged the SWIFT fees for the transactions to be sent and returned. Please ensure the details are correct to avoid fees only if rejected. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.